Imagine Jesus walking through the rain. He lifts our burdens, heals our deepest pain. When shadows fall and fear is all around, His loving voice is the sweetest sound. Imagine Jesus turning night to day. He wipes our tears and guides us on our way. Imagine Jesus breaking every chain. In His embrace, we're whole and free again. Imagine Jesus near the broken soul. His mercy heals and makes the wounded whole. When trials rise and hope begins to fade, His faithful love will never be delayed. Imagine Jesus turning night to day. He wipes our tears and guides us on our way. Imagine Jesus breaking every chain. In His embrace, we're whole and free again. Through storms and trials, He is our guide. No fear can stand when He is by our side. His grace redeems, His power never ends. With Jesus near, our broken heart He mends. Imagine Jesus in the silent night. He fills our hearts with hope and holy light. When darkness comes and doubt begins to creep, His gentle love will wake us from the deep. Imagine Jesus turning night to day. He wipes our tears and guides us on our way. Imagine Jesus breaking every chain. In His embrace, we're whole and free again. Imagine Jesus forever